Alright, okay. Let us try to do example 13.2. So I said the most important thing, guys, is to know this formula, né? And it is also given on your formula sheet. So you should know how to use this formula. Né? Alright, okay. So let us see on example 13.2. They're saying find the mass of A required, né? To burn the complete of 1 kilogram of ethene CO2 to a formula of what? I'm given C2H4, né? So now they give me C2H4, né? Okay, and then they're saying also find the product of what? Of the combustion, né? They're saying air content of 23% of oxygen by mass, né? Alright, okay. And I said the first thing that you must do is to identify your x and y, and x and y. And I said your x is this value and then your y is this value, né? So I know my x is equals to 2 and then my y is equals to 4, né? And then what do? I substitute on my formula, né? Yes. Okay, so this same is what? I have C2H4 plus open brackets 2 plus 4 divided by 4 close brackets O2 is equals to 2 CO2 plus 4 divided by 2 and then H2O. Okay, so before we simplify, we can even put the the atomic mass of what? Of a carbon, and also for the hydrogen. And then you know the atomic mass of a carbon is what? 16 or 12? Let's check, né?
Okay. 12.
Yeah.
Carbon, 12.
12, né? Okay, so I have 12 multiplied by 2, né? Okay, plus hydrogen, which is 1, multiplied there, how many? There are 4, né? Okay, I close the bracket, and then here it's what? Same as 3, né?
Yes.
Okay, so I have plus 3 multiplied by oxygen is 16. 16 by 2 is what? 32 is equals to, and then here I have 2 outside the bracket. Carbon, we said it's what? Is 12 plus 16 by 2 is what? 32, ne?
Yes.
Okay, I close the bracket, plus, and then here I have 2. Hydrogen, we said it's what? It's 1, and then there are how many? There are 2 of them, ne?
Yes.
Plus 16, ne? Okay, let us simplify. Here what you get? Here I have 16, ne? So it's gonna be
12 times 2.
12 plus, no, 12, can you just punch for me?
12 times 2 is 24
Yeah.
plus 4. 28.
Just punch. 28, ne? Okay, plus here 96. Okay, here
88.
Yeah, I have 80. 8 plus this side
86.
36. And then I said from here you have to check if your equation is balancing. 28 plus 96
124.
124. 88 plus 36.
124.
So it means your equation is what? It's balanced, isn't it? And I said when it's balanced, what's the next thing you are going to divide with what? With the first value, which is 28.
Yes.
I divide everything by 28. So here I'm gonna have 1 kg is equals to, divide for me here,
3,42.
3,42 kg is equals to the other one. Yeah.
3,1.
No, I don't have. Sorry?
3,14.
3,14 kg plus the last one 1,28 kg. Né? And then I said from here you can get your mass of what? Of the oxygen. Né? Okay. And what is my mass of the oxygen? I said you check with your equation whereby you only have what? You only have oxygen. Né? Where I only have oxygen is this part, so I know it's the second one. So what did I put? Equals supposed to be plus, yeah? Okay. So where do I have my mass of the oxygen? Is this one, eh? Okay. Is equals to 3,42 kg. Ne? And remember, they want the mass of the air required. Ne? So for me to get the mass of the air required now, gonna be what? My mass of the oxygen, which is 3,42 multiplied by 77 divided by 100. Yeah? Ah, sorry. Why am I writing by 100 divided by 23? Sorry. Yeah. Can you? The one for 77 is the one for nitrogen.
Okay.
14,86 kgs. Ne? So which means you're done calculating your mass of the one? Mass of air required. Ne? Alright, okay. And then they also talk about the products. Ne? They said and also find the products. And I said the products is gonna be what? You have two products here. Do you see that? You have the carbon dioxide and you also have what? Water. And then I said you're also going to take your nitrogen as your product. Ne? So okay. On product, I have CO2, and I said, how do you get your CO2? You're going to go to just on your equation. You find when you have a product of what? Of the carbon dioxide. Which mass is the carbon dioxide? Is this one, eh? Which is 3,14 kgs, and then I also have the one for water, H2O, which is 1,28 kgs. Eh? And then you can also have the product of what? Of nitrogen. Eh? And I said for the nitrogen, we have to calculate in use the formula, mass of air required multiplied by 77 divided by 100. Eh? Okay, which is what? 14,86 multiplied by 77 divided by 100. You get your final answer.
Okay.
11,44 kgs. Ne? Then you are done. You have your mass of the air required, and you also have your products. Ne? So do you see that using this formula, it's very simple. Ne?
Yes.
All right. Okay.